Hi guys, today we are going to be unboxing the Energems from Power Rangers Dino Supercharge and Dino Charge. So, in this box is all 5 Energems, I think. So, you might recognise this one, the red Energem for Tyler. Quite nice and shiny. Chase, aka the Hotshot. And the next one is for the Blue Ranger, Koda the Caveman. And the green one is for Riley the Swordsman. The pink Energem for Shelby. And yes, every single Energem comes with the necklace. So if you want like an Energem holder and a real life Energem, I have like some apps